Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV battery drain after charging with app activity checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore EV battery drain after charging, start by ensuring your vehicle is fully charged. Access your vehicle's app or dashboard to check the battery status. Take note of the current state of charge and the estimated range. Next, review recent app activity to identify any unusual battery consumption. Switch to the app settings or battery usage section. Look for details about which apps or functions have used the most power. If you notice any excessive drain from unnecessary apps, consider disabling them. Adjust app settings to reduce background activity and notifications. Check for software updates for your vehicle's system and apps. If updates are available, download and install them to improve efficiency. Next, evaluate your charging habits and ensure you are using a compatible charger. Use a smart charger that can optimize charging times and rates. Monitor the charging process via the app to ensure it's performing correctly. Once charged, review driving habits that may affect battery performance. Avoid aggressive acceleration and high speeds to conserve energy. Plan efficient routes to minimize energy use during trips. Additionally, utilize regenerative braking to recover energy during deceleration. Regularly check tire pressures, as underinflated tires can decrease efficiency. Clean electrical contacts and connections to maintain optimal performance. If battery drain continues, consider scheduling an inspection with a technician. Finally, reflect on how you can adjust daily habits to prolong battery life in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.